Saturday, but traffics are still on the road. But we are not in a rush, aren't we? First stop, petrol station. How is prices? That is so strange. We're at petrol station. First we need to pay and then we can fill. I said, well, I don't know, full tank. So I paid €60, and if we use more, I need to go back and pay more. A little bit. Okay, never mind. We're on holiday at the end of the day. Okay, bought a few monsters to keep us going. Some cold water. Let's go back on our own. So funny. People in other cars just don't know. And look what happened. We're supposed to drive that way and we just got mallet goes back. Oh my god, what a stupid idea to turn, and it's such a small driveway. I think it's not just us happened. Whew. I just booked hotel on Booking, so we're gonna go to stay somewhere for meal to eat. It's so hot, it's boiling. My brain is not working, it's just too hot. It's showing 38 degrees. We found shadow for our car. Just heading to see if we could get some lunch. It's so hot, almost 40 degrees. Jesus. Is it good weather? Enjoying sun. Oh. Let's see what we could have for lunch. Starving.
2 of those, please. Yeah, 2 please. This one's? Yep.
Incroyable comment je peux pas lancer les deux.
Those, please.
Non mais c'est pas question de...
Good. So it's gonna be warm. Wow, hard.
Shit.
Not nice. The bread is like very. So go try it. Just to eat inside. Another try, just went to shop because that bucket was horrible. Just bought these wraps and some juice. Let's try that. Hopefully it's nice. Just not like it with the food for this lunch. That's nice. Some juice. That's good. Going back to the car, just spotted there's another Mustang, and guess what? From England. I guess English people like good cars. Yeah, another Mustang from UK. Your sister, yay! We're heading to the stations. I think we're gonna have now just ticket. Oh my god, that heat from outside. So at the moment 32 degrees, better than where 40 early. Can't reach. Okay. Got my ticket. Now we need to pay for this fun driving through. Right. Ticket goes in. it's 11 euros. And the payment. Yay! Let's go, go, go! So we are almost here, not far from our hotel where we're staying tonight. Just we're gonna stop at supermarket to buy some food, snacks. Because where we're staying, I don't think they got restaurant. I know.
Exit the roundabout onto Route de Marchand.
There is some.
Continue on D292 for 1 kilometer.
Breakfast included, so that's fine. There is a bar, but I don't think they have food. So just in case, we're gonna stop at supermarket not far from our hotel. Okay, we arrived at supermarket. Jesus, it's just boiling. It's 5 p.m. and it's 39 degrees. Oh my god. Okay, let's see how French shop looks like.
Show more costumes today.
Look at these sweets. Looks amazing. I'm in France and look how many choices of cheeses. Which one to choose? Oh, they all look so nice and yummy. Not far from hotel, just 4 minutes driving. Much nicer here when you are not in motorway, so you can see more local houses. Looks like more nature.
English aussi.
Oh, oh, nice swimming pool.
Juste.
Oh, thank you.
Ça c'est tomorrow breakfast.
Yeah. Here, yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Very beautiful. Beautiful, yeah. This is our place where we're gonna stay. A bit different. Peaceful all this time driving. That's all we need. A little bit rest and go swim. Taking our stuff. This is so good. Look how small doors are. You need to go down to get in. Don't know where's lights. Here we go. Some food. Let's leave here for now. So we've got shower room, toilet. Look. Oh, little tiny people. Let's go upstairs. So here's supposed to be just our bed. Oh my god. That's good experience. Really charming. What do you think? Cool? For little people, I think it's good. Good experience. Gonna. And with the lovely, shall I call dinner? With lovely people. With a nice stunning view.
Oh God, yes.
Isn't it?
Yeah.